Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Volvo Xc60 today, and this car is from 2013 year model. We have activated its CarPlay with the original screen. As you can see, it has the 7-inch screen from factory, and we have retained its original screen, original system. You can see its radio, original, everything is working, like media, telephone. This car came with the navigation and premium sound system. Here you can see we have installed a module for activating CarPlay, and CarPlay is both wireless and with wired. I can shift to the CarPlay menu. Here you can see my Siri is activated, plus you can cancel the Siri. So here you can see my CarPlay is connected with this car and with my phone, iPhone. Here you can see we have all the applications that are coming from my phone. So here we have first our navigation. So it's working with this iDrive button. There is no touch from the factory, but if from factory there is a touch screen, then it can work like with the touch screen as well. Plus there is an option for adding a touch screen here, aftermarket touch screen above the screen. So we have not installed the screen in the car, but you can install it if you want. First of all, we can show you, like, we have maps, we have iPhone applications that are coming from, like, here you can see we have destinations. If we like search Tereteknik Sweden, or we can search Stockholm. So we can set to go, and the navigation started from my mobile phone. If I can tap again, so I can end the route. I can go back on the CarPlay menu. Here you can see you can use the Spotify, or all applications will appear here. Right now I don't have so many applications in my mobile phone, but all the applications with CarPlay, Android Auto connectivity, they will appear here on the screen. Then I can show you, here we have the CarPlay adapter menu. So here, first of all, we have music works with the USB music. We have installed one USB here in the glove box, so you can use the USB for listening music. You can listen music with the Bluetooth, with the CarPlay as well, with the Android Auto. First of all, we have music, then we have CarPlay. Right now my CarPlay is connected. We have Android Auto as well. If you have an Android phone, you can connect Android Auto. We have mirroring works like with YouTube from the iPhone, or with the Android device you need to connect with the an application, and after market application you need to install, then it will work. Then we have like Bluetooth is already in the car, but we have installed our module. Our module supports Bluetooth connectivity for using the CarPlay Android Auto. Then we have video. You can watch videos while driving, but it is saying no USB drive detected. Because of this, you cannot watch videos right now, but if you insert a USB with some video files, you can watch videos. Then we have like exit button and settings. Here on the exit button, you can connect a front view camera or reversing camera as well with the car. So right now we have not installed any camera in the car, but you can connect it. There is an option for the cameras, front cameras and the back cameras. Both cameras are possible. We can exit here, then it can appear on the Volvo menu, original menu. We can keep this menu as well while listening the music, or we can press this exit button for 3 seconds. It will shift again to the CarPlay menu or CarPlay adapter interface home menu. We will go to the CarPlay. Here you can see right now my iPhone applications are appearing here, so I can listen music, maps, everything pretty much. So here is, you can see all my Apple Music is appearing here. I will go back again. You can listen radio from here as well. Plus we have maps, music now playing, like podcasts, audiobooks. So if you have like Google Maps, so it will appear here. So if you have the Waze, it will appear here. Right now my iPhone is not installed or downloaded with the maps, or like Waze or Google Maps, so that's why it's not appearing here. But if you have a map, Google Map or Waze, so it will work from here. Same like if I'm like searching for restaurants, I can like search for the sushi. I will drive here, so drive go, so it will connect here as well. So here you can see it is showing go. So it started, but if you want it is showing the road directions on the mobile phone, plus it's connected here, so you can use simultaneously both devices. You can use CarPlay from stereo as well, or from the mobile phone as well. So both alternatives are available. If you need any CarPlay solution like this, you can contact us on our email address. I will provide all the necessary links and information in the description below, so you can check and reach us. So that's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.